Scroll depth tracking is important any other service or e-commerce related website. In this video, I will show you how to track scroll depth and send data analytics for. Hello everyone, I am Rakiubl Islam. I work as a freelancer. First of all, come to my website and look at that our website and Google Tag Manager is already connected. So our next part is we connect our Google Tag Manager and Google Analytics 4. So that's why we just select a new tag, just click the new options and click the pen icons and just select the Google tags, and there is a tag ID. So just we just go the Google Analytics 4 and go to the data stream options. And that is our measurement ID. We just copy the measurement ID and just paste here the tag ID. So paste the Google tag ID and just trigger the all the page, and there is a we just write a name here, just GA4 base code tags, and just save it. So our Google Tag Manager and Google Analytics 4 is already connected. So our next part is how to track scroll depth tracking. So that's why we just go to the variable options. There are the two things of variables, the built-in variable and user-defined variable. In this part, we just talk about the built-in variable. We just click the configure, and there is some option here. We just click and the save it. And now we go to the tag options and select the new, click the pen icons and just select the Google Analytics GA4 event. Put down the Google Analytics 4 measurement ID, just copy and paste here. Next option is the event name. I just put down our scroll depth event name. Just write the event name and just sending some parameters here. We just add new parameters, write the event name, just copy this and just put here, and just a value, just add it, just scroll depth thresholds, and there is a I just put there the scroll depth thresholds. Okay, now we just trigger it. So just go to the plus icon and select our scroll depth, and that is there are two options here, vertically or horizontally. We just select the horizontally options and select, we just tracked our 20% scroll, 40%, 60%, 80%, and finally 100%. And we just write our trigger name. Okay, we just trigger this all page. Okay, and just save it. Okay, so look at that. Finally, that is our measurement ID, that is our event name and event parameter, and that is our trigger. Okay, just totally complete, and just save it. Now we just submit our tags. Remember that every work in Google Tag Manager, finish that work and just submit it. That is the proper work descriptions. So now we just preview it, and that is our website URL just connected. Look at that, our website and Google Tag Manager is already connected, and I just some event here, I just simply scroll it slowly. Okay, I just scroll it slowly the complete the page, and I just select the Google Tag Manager options. There is a look at that, the first scroll is 20%, 40%, 60%, 80%, and 90%, and finally is 100%. So we can see that our scroll depth tracking is already connected and already is working. Now we can see that to our Google Analytics 4. So we just click the setting options and select the over debug view. Yes, we can see that our is a page view, the scroll depth 20%, 40%, 60%, 80%, and 100%. So our tracking is already completed. So just for today guys, I hope you will understand how to track scroll depth in any other e-commerce or service oriented business. Is there any problem? You just contact me, link in the description. Thank you.